Yo, what's happening? Man, we back. Back up in here with another one of them things, dog. And I wonder if he's gonna pull this truck out. He's probably gonna pull this truck out or something. But uh-oh. Almost ran over Killer. Where you go, Killer? Yeah, Killer go. But anyway, I don't know where he went. Yeah, man, we got another whip, man, that we need to put on the channel, man. He said, man, yeah, put it on the channel for me. Well, he ain't say it like that, but he said he didn't mind. And we've been talking about this car for a while. You know, he was asking me stuff. He's saying my car, he was asking me stuff about the BO. He was asking me stuff about, you know what I'm saying, little stuff that he could do to his car and all this stuff. So now he finally got it moving, got it to the shop. We finna go and check it out, man. We're gonna go and check it out. Oh, Zach, he here too. Zach here. With the slow TO. I mean the GT slow. And yeah. That's that old GT slow out here. Yeah, I remember this car, right? The GT slow. I've done a few things to it since we last spoke. Got his carbon fiber up there. Got his carbon fiber on the hood. Where you go?
Why you always gotta come with my
GT slow.
But you won't line up though.
GT slow.
Every time you show up, it's when my shit dirty as fuck.
Man, look, don't nobody care about that. They care about the car. They don't care about the dust.
I do.
You know how much dust be on cars that people build? Shit. People just be happy to get in their car that they done built and turn the key and it actually worked.
Oh god.
Like, if it works, we good. We don't care about no dust. They got water for that. They have it never ending supply of water. Nobody worry about that.
You're gonna have to make a separate video for that one in there.
Yeah, the one now. This ain't your video. I just put the GT slow in there.
No.
I might put some flowing words that go like this or just a GT slow.
But you won't line up though.
Man, I'm gonna wear your ass out. It's a 55 and it's not a Nomad. I'm gonna let him tell y'all what it is, but. Darren, what is that? It's 5.3? Yeah, 5.3.
I'm gonna back it down.
Okay. You been messing with the radiator?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Had a little hose just, didn't have a plan on it.
You said it's a 55 what?
Handyman.
A 55 Handyman. Never heard of it, but they go kill it, y'all.
At least we got something nice to look at.
Look at Killer. Killer ran up under my truck. You almost was.
Uh-oh. Yeah, he not scared of tires.
Right. You almost didn't make it, Killer. What's up, dude? What's up? You all right? But yeah, he said he got these are classic industries gauges. know it's black in here, so y'all can't really see a whole lot, but say you got you can say you got all this stuff, right? You got all that new, or you gonna get those polished?
Well, yeah, I
know all your trim. You say you got that new.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna run it like this for a while. I like the old school look.
Ah, okay. So what all have you done so far, other than the swap?
Well, I built a whole new frame.
New frame.
A whole new frame for it. X-barred it, what I call it.
X-bar.
Stiffed it.
Ah, okay.
Stiffened it up a little bit. New front end suspension. 5.3 out of the 03 Suburban.
Suburban. Nice car, man. And they say you're going to cruising the coast in October, right?
Correct.
Is it scraping the coast or cruising the coast?
Cruising the coast.
Cruising the coast.
Yeah.
So what's scraping the coast?
Some of them scraping.
Okay.
They got airbags, I guess. They're
right.
Scraping the ground.
Yeah. Some I heard of a scraping the coast too.
Yeah. Really.
Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yes, sir. GT slow.
What's wrong line up though? I always talk about my shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you good too.
Yeah, PA. You may shut the hood.
I mean, if you want, I gotta get it on there anyway.
Where there? On the hood?
Yeah, I gotta get on there anyway, so it don't matter.
Film it.
Yeah. Man, I will say, we don't need to, like us guys that's doing swaps, man, we need to stop complaining about the amount of space that we don't have. Man, let me show y'all this, man. His AC took back there. His transmission stick goes under there. He had to kind of make that work.
If he sees that,
look, like the hoses are up against the fans. Like, hey man, it ain't no space in here. But he made it work though. His AC lines are here to where he you know what I'm saying, where you like all this stuff, you charge your air and all that. Like man, it ain't no space in here to do nothing. Like this knuckle buster for sure. I'm no longer gonna complain about how much space I don't have. But yeah, he said he just ready to ride, man. You know what I'm saying? Like as far as doing his polishing and all, they say probably polished it up, but he like his old school look. But I think he got like all his new trim and all that good stuff, so whenever he decides. But the interior not bad. He said he don't like it, but he said he don't like the interior, but yeah.
right, you said it's right under the Bel Air. That's a Chevy.
You got that door closed. Y'all see that door closed? I ain't getting on the ground to show y'all no frame and all that, but yeah, man. Y'all be looking for this car, man. You know what I'm saying? He said he gonna be at cruising the coast. I think he said it's October the 1st through the 8th. I wish I could go, but my car ain't ready, so. I like this though. Like this is. Fuzzy dice in there. So Darren, how many more bills you got coming out this year?
I believe I may rest for the rest of the year. What do you think? Can I rest for a minute?
Yeah, you might want to.
Man, I've been going pretty hard for the last couple months trying to get it ready.
That's nice though.
Go again, thank you.
I love it. I ain't gonna lie. I trade you.
Huh?
I trade you.
Well, I don't know. You're gonna have to come up with like a 60 Impala if you want this one.
I got a 66 Caprice.
It's close.
Close enough?
Change that last.
Now it got to be Impala. Okay.
Yeah. 60 Impala might get it.
Yeah, man. So anything else other than cruising the coast, like you think you're gonna be a part of, like with the car? Or
I'm looking. We're probably gonna go one more this year, maybe a little more local, probably closer.
oh, okay. 'Cause I know it'd be a lot of classic car shows, so
Oh yeah, a lot of
I know you'll probably be
shows
at
are
out of.
moving toward a little cooler weather, so they're having a lot, at the end of the year.
What about the Hot Rod Power Tour?
I
Thought about
thought
that?
about that. I have. I thought about just to get the decal right.
Right. Cars and
A lot of
coffee.
driving.
Right, yeah, it's a lot of driving. Cars and coffee and all that good stuff.
Man, I'd love to do that. Little small cruise ins, I love it.
Right. Yes, sir. Yeah, I see it, man.
Got a
Chris.
big 308 gear in it. So
Ah, okay.
go down the road good.
So did you get your dry self? Did you get it out?
Yeah, I got it balanced yesterday. And
Okay.
hoping that and a one U joint. So
Okay.
hope that'll straighten out my little vibration.
Right.
Got my.
Yeah, hopefully I can catch you in traffic one day.
Oh yeah.
See you
For
in.
what?
No, just record.
Oh, okay. Oh, to catch me going down the road?
Yeah.
I thought you wanted to run or something.
I ain't gonna race you. You ain't ready for that yet.
No, I didn't build it for that. I didn't build it for that. I like cruising.
Right. Yes, sir. I like it though.
Thank you.
I like it a lot. You got a whole lot of room back here.
Yeah. So I put my stuff I buy from the swap meet back
Right.
back home, right?
Put Killer back there. Now
Yeah.
Killer ain't gonna ride back there.
He'll ride in the back seat some. He jumps around in there. a
Yeah,
little.
Killer like to jump around.
Sure.
Yeah, yes, sir, man. Y'all see it.
You got it?
Y'all see it, man. It's a nice build. He said he just built it for cruising. Man, what else? What else can you really ask for, man? Built him a cruiser. Say he finna enjoy his car. He been doing this for the past. Say he been going strong for a few months, probably a little longer than that, and he really want to enjoy his car. And that's really what it's about. So, yeah. Let me get back to work, man. And yeah. See y'all in a minute.